In the realm of exquisite home textiles, there exists a brand that is rooted in a remarkable legacy. Welcome to Florida, where craftsmanship meets passion and every thread tells a story.
Hi, I am B.S. Bagga, founder of Florida Home Textiles. Florida was established in the year 2005. Since I had experience of home textile industry for 25 years, then I thought, why should not I start my own business? My opinion was, if garments are fashion oriented, then why home textile cannot be fashion oriented? Our business is based on win-win-win policy. Win for the owner, win for the employees, as well as win for the business associates. In the year 2015, we started a new brand associated with Florida, Dulce Vida, with the active participation of my younger brother, Gurmukh Singh Bagga. Our mission is to become a biggest brand of home textile in India and to provide a world-class product to customers on a reasonable price.
With a vision to provide premium-looking home textiles manufactured by highly skilled artisans, we wanted to provide our customers with premium but affordable products that could transform their homes. Our factories and warehouses in Delhi, Panipat, Ludhiana, and Indore are a testament to our commitment to serving customers in different regions.
Hi, I am Rajpal Singh, Head Sales and Marketing at Florida. At Florida, we have an endeavor to provide exceptionally good quality products to our customers. With creativity and confidence, we aim Florida to be the #1 home textile brand soon.
At Florida, we leave no stone unturned in sourcing the finest materials for our products. We collaborate with trusted suppliers who share our commitment to excellence. Our attention to detail and focus on sourcing premium materials ensure that every product meets our high standards.
At Florida, our sourcing team plan innovative and well-designed product with the help of team of designers and product developers. We take care of every product usability, designing and pricing so that we can give excellent product to our customer at attractive price.
Behind every elegant design is a team of talented designers who understand the importance of creating products that reflect your unique style.
Our team offers spends days researching latest trends, customer feedback and seasonal inspiration to bring you the most stylish and up-to-date collection. Florida is known for its designing. From classic to modern designs, our collection is timeless beauty that our customer seeks.
Florida offers more than just bed linens. We take pride in providing a comprehensive range of home essentials, including dohars offer lightweight warmth and comfort for those cozy nights. Pillows that cradle your head, providing the perfect balance of support and softness. Blankets that wrap you in warmth and cocoon you in relaxation. Comforters that bring an extra layer of comfort and style to your bedroom. Mats and towels add a touch of luxury and functionality to your bathroom. Cushion covers elevate the look of your living spaces with their exquisite designs.
I am Papender Bagga. Here I look after the production of Florida and Dulce Vida. We have a dedicated team for this. We have operators, supervisors, managers for the production. We use the high quality of raw materials also. We produce here bed sheets, winter comforters, summer comforters, bed covers, pillows and many more things. We are one of the most admired brands in India. We try our best to meet satisfaction of our customers, and I hope we will keep doing all these things even better than this, just to meet the satisfaction of our esteemed customers.
With multiple manufacturing units, warehousing in strategic locations, and a dedicated team of over 100 employees, Florida ensures the seamless distribution of its products through our distributors and prominent retailers. Our extensive product range caters to both personal and corporate gifting needs, meeting diverse requirements. Our renowned brand is available throughout India, making it easily accessible to customers nationwide.
Hello, I'm Kardar Singh Bagga, the Director of Production. At Florida and Dulce Vida, we take utmost care of the quality and the specification parameter of all the products at all the stages of production. Our state-of-the-art infrastructure and well-trained workforce is always working hard to ensure that our customers receive the best products from Florida and Dulce Vida.
We believe in the power of partnerships. That's why we offer comprehensive support to our franchisees, enabling them to earn handsome profits with a single store. From mentorship and guidance to salesperson training, and marketing support through advertisements and social media promotion, Florida stands by its franchisees every step of the way.
Hello, I'm Kabir Bagga. Florida has its presence over many e-com platforms. We have a dedicated team to have a better ecosystem online and offline. Coming out with product lines like curtains and sofa fabric, we aim to have a strong foothold in furnishing industry. Florida has launched and giving out franchises. Our vision is to open multiple stores pan-India.
Florida is where art and comfort entwine. With every thread we weave, we aspire to bring beauty, elegance, and a touch of magic into your home. Florida sets out on a mission to revolutionize the home decor industry.
So we invite you to dress your home with Florida. Florida, dress your home.